Good morning, Leslie. Here is the Citroen C4. I'll be doing the personalised video for yourself, walking around the car, focusing on the bodywork. Anything I see untowards on the vehicle will be definitely pointed out to yourself. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off with the front of the vehicle and then work our way inside. Obviously I know you wanted to see the boot space and also the where the battery is, so don't you worry, that will definitely be shown as well. So front bumper, there is no scuffs, no scratches, no chips. I know it is quite common to have the chips on the front side of the vehicle, however that is not the case. Bonnet is also nice and clean, no dents. Alloys, I'll be showing you all the alloys and how clean they are. Obviously they haven't been marked, not been curved or anything like that, which is nice. Driver side door handle, as you can see, it does have a chip. Obviously quite common to happen, to have a few little marks as well, just there. Obviously nothing major. When I zoom back out, you can't really see the marks. So as you saw there, the driver's side obviously in great condition. Moving on to the tailgate and back bumper. So as you probably would know, it is quite common to have scratches or chips or dents when you're loading and unloading the vehicle. It is one of them things. It is quite common. So however, with this car it is not the case. So it is nice and clean. Bumper as well, nice and clean, there is no scuffs. The car is in immaculate condition for its age. Let's look at the alloys at the back, at the passenger side as well. So as you see there, nice and clean. If I was to go as close as I can, you can see that there is a few marks on the door mirror. Obviously when I zoom out, obviously that you can't really see them, they are not visible. As soon as I get closer, then you can definitely see it. Obviously nothing major, once again, quite common. It does have the one key, and we do have the paperwork as well, so we do have the V5, the owner's manual, as well as the great service history of the car. Interior nice and clean as well. Obviously we've done a full valet on the car, so as you can see there, steering wheel as well, there is no marks on the steering wheel. Seats are nice and clean. So one previous owner. Front passenger door, there is a mark just there. Back seats, once again, obviously we've done a full valet on the vehicle, and there is the ISOFIX at the back as well, so it does have the safety for the vehicle, for the kids, sorry. Okay, so let's have a look at the boot space. I know you really wanted to have a look at it. So it does actually have a pretty big boot. Let's have a look underneath here. Obviously it doesn't come with the spare wheel, so a lot of the new cars now, when leaving from manufacturer, they don't come with the spare wheel. However, you do have the locking wheel nut and tools, and the pump as well here, which will pump up the tyre, taking you to the nearest garage and hopefully home if you're close by. Alright, let's have a look at the driver's side. I'll go through the features with you, and then I'll show you where the battery is as well. So obviously, just when you jump in the car, there is the fuel button here. So when you press that, and then the fuel cap obviously opens. On here on the dash, which I thought was pretty nice, to be honest with you, there is the as you can see, there is the blue lights. That can be changed with the button just here. So if you obviously if you don't want it to be blue, then you can change it on the settings as well. So that's pretty nice. It is a multi-function steering wheel, so as you can see, obviously no marks on the steering wheel. Dual climate control. It does have the Bluetooth phone. Let's go back onto the radio. You've got the DAB radio, AM, FM. You've got the CD player, Bluetooth audio, aux, USB. So it's got the media as well. So pretty nice. It's got the USB and the aux there, as well as the 12 volts. Armrest. Obviously all the paperwork that I've been through with you. Lights, and then wipers are on this side. Electric front windows and the electric door mirrors. Right, I know you also wanted to have a look at the under the bonnet, so I'll just go over to the front passenger side for you as well. So that's the okay, so the car's been fully serviced by Rushmore's. We've done a mechanical check over on the vehicle, so it's been in our workshops. Battery, so as you can see, it's all covered. Alright, that's perfect, nice and clear under there. There is the Platinum RAC warranty, as well as the 12-month breakdown cover, so that comes with the price of the vehicle. You do have the option to extend your warranty up to 36 months. So this is something we highly recommend. Obviously, once you come down here, then we can speak more about it, and I'll give you more information. Car's been fully serviced by us, as mentioned earlier in the video. There is the new 12 months MOT, which will be done at point of sale, and a pre-delivery inspection will be done as well as before the car goes out. So we will check it out again once more mechanically. If there is any further questions, I'll be sending this video onto your email for you to have a look at. Obviously, once you view the video, please give me a call. Thank you.